There are many visual inspection solutions on the market, but the advantage of an AiRob Expert is that it doesn't require programming. By training the AI with examples of both flawless and defective products, it learns to accurately distinguish between them. Within just a few years, we've seen a noticeable decline in customer complaints at Fideltronic, along with a reduction in internal production defects. Fideltronic has implemented close to 60 AiRob Experts across its production lines. At Fideltronic's factories, we place around 60 million components per year. Over the past 8 years, we've gathered a vast amount of real production data. We've been consistently reducing our cost of poor quality year over year. AiRob Expert is a solution designed to oversee manual production processes. No matter how many components are assembled at a station, the inspection time remains around 1 second. And it's worth noting that the number of elements we can inspect can reach several thousand. In January, we might produce 100 units of a product, and in November, we may have to produce the same 100 units again. A human operator simply can't recall all the details, but AiRob Expert remembers the entire production run and all the defects from January, and is able to apply this knowledge in the November run. AiRob Expert can be integrated with manual workstations, conveyors, and also with robotic arms, which significantly enhances inspection capabilities, increasing the likelihood of detecting potential defects. A robot can be positioned on the line to collaborate with other robots and human operators. This robot is capable of managing 4 testers simultaneously, allowing it to test 2 different product types in parallel. The robot makes autonomous decisions on how to adjust its grippers to properly handle different products, regardless of their type or orientation. Thanks to the algorithms we develop, the robot, equipped with 2 sensors, vision and touch, can operate in conditions almost identical to those a human works in. It verifies its environment and tools. What we provide to the client is a workstation with our know-how. Anyone can train their own AI networks. Our philosophy is simple. Fix the problem before it becomes a costly defect. We've reached the point where creating and configuring a new inspection program takes about 10 minutes. Manual operations and similar processes exist in many factories around the world. Solutions like this can be tailored to the specific needs of each client.